Hey guys, my name is Mitchell, I'm the owner of Homebrew Espresso, and I'm here today to talk about milk. Milk's one of the major ingredients in most coffee. In fact, milk-based coffees make up roughly 85 to 90% of all coffee orders in cafes in Australia. When we're talking about a milk-based coffee, we're normally talking about coffee that's made with full cream milk, low-fat milk, soy milk, or almond, although there are a whole bunch of other ones as well. We can make stuff like your cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, the ones you're familiar with, by varying different levels of foam and texture throughout the drink while we're steaming. And for how precise the rest of the specialty coffee world is, there's surprisingly little standardization in this field. We create this foam by using a milk jug on steam ones, which help us to introduce heat and air into the milk, creating microfoams to form nice stable textures and some beautiful froth. We normally steam milk to 55 to 60 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for our sweet flavors, almost caramelized even. The goal is to get a nice, creamy, velvety milk with lots of really nice stable microfoam and very few large bubbles present.